In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror assembly in your Kia Sorento, located on the outside of the door. Let's get started. Moving to the passenger front side of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and remove the door panel. We're going to go ahead and pry open this tab right here. There's going to be a bolt behind that. Grab yourself a small pry tool. Pry it open, and there's going to be a Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. Using this pry tool, we're gonna go ahead and remove this trim. Simply slide it on this side and pry on it. We want to go ahead and take the connection off for the tweeter. Simply unplug it and slide it out. Now we can go ahead and pry the panel off. Simply get your hands right here and start prying slightly. You're going to feel the clips coming off. Work your way around it from this side to the outside. Now that you have it in this position, slide it out. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the mirror. Simply pry on this tab and pull it up. Now we're ready to remove these three 10mm bolts. But before we do that, we wanna go ahead and hold on to the mirror so it doesn't fall. While holding on the mirror, go ahead and remove them using a 10mm socket. Now that we have the mirror unplugged and the three bolts removed, we can just simply grab the mirror and slide it out. Now we're ready to install the new mirror. For that, we can simply feed the wire through this hole. After you feed the wire through, we're gonna go ahead and line up the holes. And while holding on it, we're gonna go ahead and put the three 10mm bolts by hand. Go ahead and get them snug. And now we can get them torqued to 8 foot-pounds. Now that we have the mirror torqued down, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in and reinstall our door panel. So we're gonna start at the top. We're gonna slide it in, just like that. Make sure that it's bottomed out at the top. And now we can go ahead and go around the edges and clip it into place. If you feel any resistance, stop it, take it out, and take a look to make sure that there's nothing in the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the tweeter. Make sure we plug it in first. And go ahead and line it up and clip it in. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the Phillips screw that goes here. Go ahead and snug it up and close the cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.